Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? This is your middle-aged guy, AJ, and I just have one question for you today. Are you tired of screen protectors that leaves bubbles, collect dust, or even looks like an oily mess just 5 minutes after putting them on? Yep, same here. And that is why I picked up this SmartDevil screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max because it promises a bubble-free, dust-free install with scratch and impact protection. Sounds like a dream, right? So today, I'm unboxing it, installing it live, and showing you just how it really holds up. No editing tricks, just real results. Let's see if it's really as smart as the name suggests. So now, as you can see here, the box is fully sealed. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I have my iPhone 16 Pro right over here at the side with this not so great of an install for a screen protector. There's so much bubbles in it, and as you can see, there's also lots of fingerprints on it. So let's just remove this and just toss this aside because we're not going to use it anymore. So out of the box for this SmartDevil dust-free box series, so what we have is our 3 screen protectors. So this is the film installation kit. Oh, so it's not the tempered glass itself, it's the installation kit. So I would presume this is the one that we need to use to clean up our screen. Yep. So we have our dusting sticker, we have our cleaning wipes, and some thing to wipe it all off. We have our main box. This is also our guide for our installation, so we will be using that as well later. And I think we have here our 3 screen protectors or tempered glass. 1, 2, and the third one is already installed for us right over here. Okay, so we have our instruction manual also as well, and some other guides, and some extended warranty QR code if you're into that. Okay, so if you can see here, it just tells us that we just need to remove all the bubbles if ever. So, doesn't sound promising because it still says that there will be small bubbles. But anyway, let's see how it holds up. Okay, so let's do our cleaning first. It says it should be dust-free, so I don't suppose that we need to clean it that, thoroughly, because it should remove all of the dust anyway. But let's do our clean install as long as we can. Right, so that should be enough. Let's wipe it down. It off. Okay, so this is a 9H hardness tempered glass, so it's supposed to be super scratch resistant. So later on we will try out if it will be able to hold up to that promise. We'll just use some keys or something to scratch it off in the upper portion of the screen. And it also says that it has some special coating to repel fingerprints and smudges, so I'll be checking that out as well later. Okay, but I think the biggest selling point of this product is that it's a very easy install and it has an easy alignment box that you see right over here. So we will be using that. And again, they said it's dust-free, so I don't think I need to clean this all up that much. But, let's just do our due diligence and make sure that we are as clean as we can. Alright, I think that should be good enough for this one. Okay, so what I need to do is actually, it says here, just place the phone face down. Right over here, press downwards and pull the tab. Close the cover and hold it down and pull the tab. Okay? So what I need to do is just to align this phone. Let's remove some of the... So if you look at here, there are still some, I'll just wipe off some of this, but there's still a bit of dust that we left here. So this is just to test out if this is really dust free. Okay, so we'll just align this downwards right here. So here is where the magic happens. Okay, so make sure it's aligned, everything is there. Then let's close this up as instructed. Push it down and pull the easy tab right over here. Okay, so I'll put it down and pull this tab. Hopefully everyone can see. So I'm pushing it down as I'm pulling the tab. This one it's a bit hard to remove. Okay, but hopefully, that is not a good sign, but let's see what happens. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. I'm still seeing a bit of some bubbles right over here, so I didn't really give us that bubble free install that it has been saying in the package. So I wonder what's that about. Oh, I think I messed up. So it's supposed to be going on the bottom portion right over here, which I didn't do. So let's try that again. Good thing that there's 3 of this tempered glass that is given to us right here. So we'll be able to test this out. Okay, so second take. All right, let's place this down right over here and put this at the bottom portion. Okay, so earlier I was putting it here. So I think that's where the problem happened. So put it at the bottom so it will be easier to push out. Again, our phone right over here, aligned. Okay, looks good. So let's just push this down, hold it steadily, and pull the tab. Let's go 1, 2. Okay, so now it's much more easier to remove everything. So hopefully this one has made a better install than the one that we did earlier. Okay, so I'm just pressing it down just to make sure that everything is aligned. So moment of truth again. Let's see how we did. Okay, so everything here looks good. Let's remove this. There's still a bit of bubbles on the side, but I think we can push them out over here. Okay. Okay, so not really a clean install, if you ask me. Okay, so I still have some bubbles right over here and at the bottom part as well. But the alignment is actually good. Okay, so I'm not sure if something went wrong again on that portion. So let's test out the scratch portion of this. So as you can see, I'm trying to scratch it out, but yep, it's quite nice that I'm not seeing any scratches on the screen itself. And fingerprint also is good. So it holds up on those parts, but the installation, it is quick and easy, but I don't think I am able to do a clean install on this. As you can see here on top, still have some bubbles over here and on the side as well. Okay, I'll be trying it out one more time with the last screen protector that is included. Hopefully that one will be better. I'm not sure. It was our last try for this. Okay, and one more thing that it says that this is not breakable. Okay, so I will not be trying too hard to break this, but it doesn't break even if you bend it like this, like so. Okay, let's put our third and final screen protector over here. Again, push it down on the bottom portion, and let's go ahead and place our phone right on top. Make sure everything is aligned. Okay, all right, so now that it's aligned, let's just push it down in the middle. Okay, make sure it's there. Just pull the tab at the bottom, and hopefully this one does the trick. Carefully. All right, so we have removed it. So let's make sure that everything is there. And here we go. Moment of truth. We still have some bubbles. We have the second installation that we had is better, but the sides were not really, installed properly. In this one, all the sides got installed properly, but it has bubbles in the middle, which is really not good, because for us to remove the bubbles, we need to, remove it and then let it go in. Let's see if I can salvage this one, because this is the last one that we have. All right, so that's it. I didn't have to reposition this. Okay, and how about the touchscreen? Is it still very responsive? Yes, it is. Okay, so everything looks good on this portion. Okay, so I'm not going to throw this down or across the room just to see if it will break the screen, but I can tell you that even if it's keys on the pocket or simple drops like this, it should be okay. And the protector itself feels so much solid. So it's just a shame that the AC installation that was promised to us with the bubble free didn't actually work, but it's quite good that they were able to give us a screen protector that is scratch proof as far as I can see, drop proof, and also it feels really the fingerprints are not catching on really quickly right over here. I think after we come back to it in a few days time, it might be there, but hopefully not. Let's see how it goes in the next few days. So there you have it. That is our quick review of the SmartDevil dust-free installation screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's such a shame that it didn't really hold up to that promise of a bubble-free installation, but it is easy to install. You just need to place it, pull the tab, and you're done. But again, maybe it's just me, but I did try it on the whole pack, and I didn't get a good bubble-free installation. It is dust-proof though, and we did do a scratch test, and we also did a fingerprint test, and I think this one is very good holding up with keys in the pockets together with your phone or some fingerprints over time. I think this one is a good screen protector. But again, if you are looking for that bubble-free installation, it might just be me. Your experience might be different, but I didn't get that experience of bubble-free installation. It's good though that even though it's not a bubble-free installation, it was quite easy, as you saw in the video. It was quite easy on how to get rid of the bubbles, and it didn't leave any gaps on the sides when installing it. And it actually feels very sturdy and very responsive on the screen as well. So I like that with this product. So if you're in the market of protecting your iPhone with scratches or even drops, so the screen protector for you may be the SmartDevil screen protector. If you are interested, I will leave the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. And if you have any more questions, do drop it down in the comment section below as well. I'd be more than happy to assist you in any questions that you have with this product. The SmartDevil Dust-Free Box Series screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and again, it's also available for different kinds of iPhone models as well. And if you found this helpful, please do drop a like and hit that subscribe button, and maybe let me know what you want to see next in our channel in that comment section below as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!